It's a wind-up alarm clock made by Waterbury, patented in 1910 and 1918 according to inscriptions on the back of this clock. Currently ticking. It's a wind-up clock. The alarm on-off function does work up here. That enables and disables the bell to ring. There's a tag specified that this was cleaned, oiled, and adjusted in February of '83, and then it says it's made in 1918. It has two peg legs on the bottom, all metal, filled up. There's some brass or some yellow shining through beneath the silver finish. Also show a little bit on this back edge and bottom. The face is in good condition. The alarm can be set using this top dial here, top knob, and the clock itself is set this middle knob. There's an adjustment for fast and slow. The wind-up element for the alarm is here, so we'll go ahead and wind that up. The alarm is set for 1 o'clock. Clock's ticking and wound up. So we'll go ahead and advance this clock to 1 o'clock and have the alarm go off. Alarm is set for on right there on the top, and we'll move it over to 1 o'clock or thereabouts, since the alarm's set for 1, or maybe, yeah, I'll say 1 o'clock. 5 on 1, close enough. That turns off the alarm. Back on, off. Alright, so we have No Sleep Waterbury, made by the Waterbury Clock Company, 1918. Very cool. Perfect item for the bedroom. Thanks for checking. Bye. Does keep good time. That was tested.